When it comes to moving, there's one name that stands above the rest: Calgary Movers Pro. Meet the Calgary Movers Pro team, a group of dedicated professionals who make moving a breeze. Whether you're moving to a new home, relocating your business, or simply need help with packing and unpacking, Calgary Movers Pro has got you covered. With our expert skills and careful hands, we handle your belongings as if they were our own. Our fleet of modern and spacious trucks takes your possessions on a safe journey to your new destination. Upon arrival, the Calgary Movers Pro team unloads your items with precision and care. We will even help you set up your furniture, making your new place feel like home in no time. And if you need additional services like packing supplies or temporary storage, Calgary Movers Pro has got you covered there too. We go the extra mile to ensure your moving experience is seamless and stress-free. Calgary Movers Pro guarantees a smooth and hassle-free move every time. So when it's time to move in Calgary, trust the best in the business, Calgary Movers Pro. Let us take the weight off your shoulders and make your move a success. Calgary Movers Pro, your partner in a seamless move. Contact us today for a free quote.